Zcash, represented by the ticker symbol ZEC, is a cryptocurrency that implements zero-knowledge proof technology to provide optional privacy for its users. Throughout this series, we'll explore how Zcash uses advanced cryptography to protect transaction privacy while maintaining blockchain transparency when needed. Zcash is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that offers users the choice between transparent and shielded transactions. Unlike Bitcoin, where all transaction details are publicly visible on the blockchain, Zcash provides optional privacy using advanced cryptographic technology. This means users can decide whether they want their transactions to be public or private, depending on their needs. Zero-knowledge proofs are a cryptographic method that allows one party to prove they know something without revealing what that information actually is. Think of it like proving you know a password without actually telling anyone the password itself. This fundamental concept is what makes Zcash's privacy features possible. Zcash uses a technology called zk-SNARK, which stands for Zero-Knowledge Succinct Non-Interactive Arguments of Knowledge. This is the core cryptographic technology that powers Zcash's shielded transactions. The term might sound complex, but essentially it's a way to prove that a transaction is valid without revealing the sender, recipient, or amount being transferred. Zcash supports two types of addresses. First are transparent addresses, which work like Bitcoin addresses where public transactions are visible on the blockchain. Second are shielded addresses, which enable private transactions with hidden details. This dual address system gives users the flexibility to choose their level of privacy for each transaction. When using shielded transactions in Zcash, three key pieces of information are hidden. The transaction amount is encrypted, so no one can see how much ZEC is being sent. The sender and recipient addresses are concealed, protecting the identities of both parties. Additionally, there's an encrypted memo field that allows users to include private messages with their transactions. The zk-SNARK process works in 3 steps. First, the transaction details are encrypted, hiding the sensitive information. Second, a cryptographic proof is generated that demonstrates the transaction is valid without exposing the actual details. Third, the network verifies this proof to confirm the transaction is legitimate, all without ever seeing the encrypted information. This allows the blockchain to remain secure while preserving user privacy. Zcash's privacy technology offers 4 key benefits. User choice allows individuals to decide their transparency level for each transaction. Financial privacy protects sensitive transaction information from public scrutiny. Fungibility ensures that all coins are equal without a traceable transaction history that could taint certain coins. Finally, Zcash is compliance-ready, offering selective disclosure features that allow users to share transaction details with auditors or regulators when required, making it suitable for both privacy-conscious individuals and regulated entities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.